Welcome to Sermon Detox, where we clear out religious residue and breathe again. Here's today's detox line. The cross didn't make God loving. If God needed violence before he could love you, that's not good news. That's a deity who has to be calmed down. A lot of us were taught this storyline. God is furious. Jesus steps in. Now God can finally accept you. But think about what that implies. The Father is the problem, and Jesus is the solution. So we say God is love, but we secretly picture him as the one who had to be talked into it. Here's the reframe. The cross isn't God changing his heart. The cross is God revealing his heart. Love didn't begin at Calvary. Calvary exposed love. It showed what was true all along. God goes to the bottom of human pain, failure, and violence. Not to punish someone else so he can forgive you, but to absorb it, overrule it, and begin restoring what's broken. Now someone will say, but what about justice? Justice is not endless payback. Justice is things being set right. Fear-based religion loves the appease God version because it keeps people anxious, and anxious people are easier to manage. If you believe God's love is a thin layer over anger, you'll spend your life trying to stay safe. But here's the detox. God didn't become loving because Jesus died. Jesus died because God is loving. So if you've lived bracing for God's disappointment, breathe. The cross isn't proof that God was finally willing to love you. It's proof that he never stopped. If that hit a nerve, it might be residue. See you next time on Sermon Detox.